Hello. Welcome to Zizu's kitchen. I am Zizu's Uncle John. So today we are going to make Arabic shawarma. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna chop some cabbage and tomato. Make sure the pieces are small. Be very careful with the knife, so you won't hurt yourself. So we have some nice chopped pieces of cabbage. You have to make sure to slice it like thin, okay? Like this. Like this. Okay, now we're gonna shred some chicken. You have to be careful to take out the bone. You can also use leftover chicken because I don't have time for this, I gotta sleep. So we have this shredded chicken right here. Let's get started. So we're gonna fry some chicken right now. I'm gonna pour some oil. Make sure it's not too much, okay? So here is it. Some spices too in the chicken. If you're a vegetarian, you should stop watching this video, okay? It's going to be blast, okay? So you have to be very careful and quick. Okay. See, nice and slowly, okay? And put some red chilies in it, okay, but not too much. Okay, I don't know what is this, but I'm gonna put it. So I don't know. What's this? Okay, some of it. Mix the chicken nice and slowly, okay? Make sure the flame is low. But not too much. I didn't have butter. Oh God, it smells so good. Hey vegans, I feel sorry for you. Okay, so our chicken is done. So we're gonna take our Arabic shawarma bread and we're gonna heat it nicely. Make sure the flame is low.
Flip it, bro, flip it.
Okay, I'm gonna flip it.
Yeah, bro, flip it, bro.
Oh, she, Kai, we saved it. I'm gonna try once again.
All right.
Can I do it? Yeah! Okay, so it's almost done. Damn, it's looking fine. I'm gonna use sandwich spread. Okay, mix it. You have to mix it nice. Okay, I'm gonna pour some ketchup in it. Ketchup. Chicken mixture. Okay, the most important step. I'm gonna shift it to foil paper so we can roll it. Rolling is an art. Most of the people don't know how to roll, so this is the main thing. You have to put it on the corner, okay? Then you're gonna shift it like this and roll it. Roll it. Okay, I'm gonna put this like this. We're gonna put this like this. Now we have a shawarma right here. We're gonna burn it again. What is this called in English? But it's dekchi, I guess. So we're gonna put it right here. No. And we're gonna wait now. Okay, so now it's done. Here I present you the super delicious Arabic shawarma. You can subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.